Hey folks, I'm Paul from Barbecue Land and Hitchin, Hertfordshire specialist in barbecues. Today we're going to be talking about the Monolith Junior Kamado Standalone edition. I'm going to be showing you how to get set up for your first cook. I'm going to cook some fantastic chicken wings that look like this. I love Kamado grills. The ceramics and the high heat that it can maintain gives you really good precision. This one's designed for smoking, baking, searing. Temperatures can go from as low as 80 degrees Celsius all the way up to 350 degrees Celsius. In terms of the build, it's really easy. The majority of it already comes together. So you just need to put in the firebox, charcoal ring, and assemble the grills, which we'll show you in a moment. Taking a closer look at the grill, you can see the Standalone comes with these three little feet, and that stops it from getting damaged. As with most Kamado grills, you can see that it comes with a door to allow you to control the draft and the airflow that comes into the grill. It's also a good way of getting easy access into the firebox if you want to clear it out. For controlling the temperature, you can see that it comes with this really sturdy control tower. If you want those really high heats, we can open that fully open, or if we're looking for more of a smoking temperature, we can be very precise with how much we want to let in and out of the grill. Inside the grill, we've got this really high quality gasket. This is something that I look for when I'm buying a Kamado grill. It comes with a 13-inch grill grate, which is about 33 centimeters, and this fantastic second tier expanding system, which is great for increasing the capacity. I know what you're thinking, so how big is that and what can I cook on this? To give you an example, here's a whole picanha, that fits in there nicely. Looking forward to smoking this. Here's the rack of both back ribs. You can see that they're a little bit too long for the grill. We stand them up, curl them round, get them in there no problem. If you like things like stir frying, you can see that you can fit a nice cast iron wok in there nicely. Inside you can see the ceramic heat deflector. This is what your grill will look like after a couple of cooks. It's nice and easy to take out. And here you can see the inside of the firebox. This grill comes with a really innovative feature, smoke and pellet feeder system. See, take our slide, we can insert that into the grill with the dome down. You can see what happens. We can get direct access into the firebox. We then take something like these pellets, we can push them straight into the grill. The first question when you get a new grill is what fuel to use and how much of it. For ceramics, you want to use a good quality lumpwood charcoal like this restaurant grade we have here. I like to use a bowl or chimney starter, something that allows me to measure out the same amount each time to allow me to get used to controlling the vents and knowing how I'm going to control the temperature of the grill. Placed our lumpwood charcoal into the grill and I'm using 3 natural fire starters to get it started. I'm going to make sure that the door is fully open and also the dome. Once your natural fire lighters are in place, give them a light. As mentioned, you want to make sure the door's open, the dome lid's open. We're going to leave this for 10 minutes. So our wings are prepped. We've got 10 minutes to wait for this. Now for the next step. Drink a beer. Cheers. Prepare the wings. We're going to start with a nice and simple dry rub. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of celery salt, 2 tablespoons of white pepper, and a tablespoon of black pepper. I'm going to put them into a coffee shaker because I find these are fantastic for applying rubs. Once your shaker's ready, just give them a nice coating. Give them a flip. And then coat them on the other side. There you go, they look fantastic. So it's been 10 minutes, got a lovely colour on the wood. Let's get the lid down. Let's keep this door around about finger width. You can see there, I'm going to dial this about halfway. What we're looking to do is get a temperature around 225 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 105 degrees Celsius. So we're going to want this grill to drop down ever so slightly, let it stabilise, and then we'll put the wings on. Don't worry if it overshoots like this, just be patient, leave the doors and the vents where we configured them, and the temperature will drop down. You see we nearly dropped down to 250 degrees Fahrenheit already, so let's put in the ceramic deflector and the grill grate. We have our grill right where we want it. You can see there's that precision that we talked about at the beginning of the video. So let's get our wings on. So our wings are on, looking fantastic. If you're wondering about capacity, I think that's just answered your question. Now it's time to try out that new system. Let's insert the wood. Take the tool. Push them into the chamber. And goes out. There you go. Nice and easy. Grill's up to temperature. Look at that fantastic cherry smoke coming from that pellet system. Love it. There's only one thing for it. Let's take that beer, set a timer for 20 minutes. To give you an example of how well this does with fuel, look how much is left over from the previous cook. I think we can all agree that's fantastic. It's been 10 minutes. You can see the temperature is exactly where we left it. After 20 minutes, let's see how we're looking. Wow. I want to give these a flip now. Lid back down, check on these in 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, it's 40 minutes in total. Look at the grill, perfectly where we left it. Let's take a look at the internal temperature. So for wings, we're looking at 75 degrees Celsius or 175 degrees Fahrenheit. So we can see this gauge is in Fahrenheit. These are 150. 167 at the back there, a bit warmer. On this side is 150. What we're going to do now is get the dome down. Open it fully up. Take the door. Open it up. I'm going to go for 5 minutes and we're going to crisp up the skin. We're also running at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, it's about 150 degrees Celsius. Let's have a look where the wings are. 7, brilliant. 7. This is what we're looking for, I'll show you that. See that? It's fantastic. Check these out, looking amazing. There's only one thing for these, you know what it is. Franks. Has to be Franks. As you can see, they look fantastic. We need to do a little bit more.
extra sauce, make it rain some chives.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like some more information regarding the Monolith Junior Kamado BBQ, head over to barbecueland.co.uk.